Hello, this is Kings. Today, we shall be looking at the ways which we can use to order at a restaurant. So our topic for today is ordering at a restaurant. In this topic, we shall be looking at the common ways which we can use to place an order for food or anything at a restaurant. Maybe at McDonald's or at a fast food joint or at a sit-down restaurant, anywhere. So these expressions are very common and useful. Okay, so we have 4 sets of expressions here. So the first one is, can I have? Can I have fries and hamburger? Go to a restaurant, say, can I have fries and hamburger? Or you may say, can I get fries and hamburger? Or a polite way to put can I, you can say, could I have a coffee, please? Could I get a coffee, please? So, could I have? Good. Could I get a coffee, please? So, these expressions here, can I have, can I get, could I have, could I get, this sounds more like a request. You're trying to request if you could have or you can have. So this sounds more like a request. So this section 1 sounds more like a request. Okay, so we go to the next set, number 2. I will have an ice cream, or you may say, I'll take an ice cream, or you may say, I'll get an ice cream. So you go to a fast food joint, or where you say, I'll have an ice cream, good expression, or I'll take an ice cream, or I'll get an ice cream, good. So I'll have an ice cream, good. I'll take an ice cream, good. Or I'll get an ice cream. So this one sounds more direct. I like more direct. I'll get. That's if me want it. Okay. So I'll get. So this expression sounds more direct. This one is more direct. Good. And number 3, you say, I want an orange juice. I want an orange juice. You know, want is like a desire. I want. That's human desires. Okay. So I want an orange juice. So this one is a desire. I want an orange juice. I want an ice cream. I want a coffee. I want chicken. I want desire. So this one is more a desire. Then number 4, I would like. I would like is a polite way to desire something. So I would like is a polite way of putting I want. I would like. This one is more polite. So you can say, I would like chicken fried rice. I would like chicken fried rice. Or I would like fried rice and chicken. Fried rice and chicken. Good. Or I would like a beef steak. A beef steak. Good. Or you may say, I would like fufu and egusi soup. Fufu and egusi soup. I know most people might not know fufu and egusi soup. Fufu and egusi soup is a West African delicacy. Very, very sumptuous. Maybe you should try it. Well, I won't talk about this today, but just know if you go to an African restaurant and you say, I want fufu and egusi soup, luscious, you have it. So egusi soup is like pumpkin seeds that they use to make the soup. If you go online and check, you'll see very, very delicious. Whenever you visit Africa or you go to an African restaurant, ask for fufu and egusi soup. Good. So you may say, I would like fufu and egusi soup, or I would like a beef steak, or I would like fried rice and chicken, or I would like chicken fried rice. So this expression is a more polite desire. It's a polite form of I want. So I would like is a more polite desire. Okay, so let's do a recap of the 4 expressions. So you go to a restaurant, maybe to McDonald's, maybe to a fast food joint, maybe to a sit-down restaurant, you want to place an order. Okay, it depends where you are in the world, in Asia, in Africa, wherever you go. You want to speak or place an order in a restaurant in English. You can say, can I have fries and hamburger? Can I have fries and hamburger? It's more like a question, a request, right? Can I get fries and hamburger? Good. Could I have a coffee? Please. You can add please to be a bit more polite. Okay. Can I get a coffee? Please. So this one is more like a request or a question. Set 2, we have I will have an ice cream. I will take an ice cream. I will get an ice cream. This one is more direct. I will have, more direct. Okay, we go to our third expression. I want an orange juice. I want an orange juice. I want a beef steak. I want fufu and egusi soup. I want. This one is a desire. Okay, number 4, I would like. I would like is a polite expression of I want. So it almost means the same thing, but number 3 is not as polite as I would like. So I would like is a more polite way to desire. Okay, so I would like chicken fried rice, or like chicken fried rice, or I would like fried rice and chicken. I would like fried rice and chicken, or I would like beef steak. I would like a beef steak. Good. Or I would like fufu and egusi soup. Fufu and egusi soup. Fufu and egusi soup, a West African delicacy. Very sumptuous, very luscious. Try it. Once you are in an African restaurant, anywhere, ask for fufu and egusi soup. So I would like is a more polite desire. Is more polite. Okay? So these are some of the most common expressions used in placing an order at a restaurant. So try it. Thank you. See you in my next video. Goodbye.